everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is a very exciting solution from my good friends at J.S. McCarthy Printers of Augusta, Maine. This was designed by Firebelly Design in Chicago for Client Type Directors Club in New York, and this is a promotional brochure that is so layered and textural and well designed. I think you're going to love it for lots of reasons. This is elastic bound, so it has a piece of red elastic here that's holding all of these layers together. The base is actually a trifold, and then it has different layers that are on top and inside. So I think you're gonna love this. All the paper is Mohawk key color in different shades and weights. The base fold, the trifold, is cover weight, and everything else is text weight. So everything's offset printed. This first layer here, as you can see, they're tucked under this piece of elastic. So I'm just going to pull this one piece out. This is a red. It's got 2 hits of white ink on it, but everything basically just sits all neat and tidy under this piece of elastic. So there's the red layer that reveals some text. Everything else, by the way, is printed 2-color black and custom red. This sheet is on a super light pink. And this next layer then opens up, and then you've got the cover of the brochure. So you can see they just wrap the cover, and then this opens up. There's a very fun fold-in panel, solid red, die-cut circle. It says type drives creativity. So you've got this wonderful focal point here, strong typography here. Opens up to more layers. So we got 2 layers on the outside, 2 layers on the inside. This one's a darker pink, and this is a gray sheet. And both, again, have the black and the custom red. So different sizes, folded at different points to create texture. And then there's this really nice hide and reveal going on. So just very, very cool. They did about 2,500 of these. These are handouts and mail pieces. These were die, score, of course, assemble, fold, and elastic bind. So really, really cool. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Trifold with creative layers and elastic binding. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, downlines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.